Strange, tiger don't test positive for coronavirus for United States. Tiger, to tell you say this coronavirus self no be only human being, no even animals too. Tiger, female tiger. This one a National Veterinary Service Laboratory that confirm with tiger wey don't get the coronavirus. Say one of the employees wey don't get coronavirus, we don't get infected with the coronavirus, wey they take care of the tiger, now don't go. As they take care of the tiger not gonna get the coronavirus. Even health officials now talk this one too. And the name of the tiger na Nadia. See the way they can name the tiger Nadia. Nadia na somebody wife name now for Nigeria here. So Nadia na somebody wife name. And they even know the tiger age. The tiger now 4 years female tiger. 4 years female tiger. So the tiger they get dry cough, and the tiger don't lose appetite. And if you see the way when Oyibo they can't take care of animals, my brother, you go just pray say, oh God, why you not carry me? Go become good for US, or in many of these Oyibo countries they sabi like animals. If you see their names, you just name the name Nadia. You go see Oyibo, they go feature see one lion. Call name let's name him Toyin Emmanuel Sina. Then if you see the Oyibo, they can't take care of their tiger too. Tiger feel sick, animals feel sick, even goat sick. You go see Oyibo, they use pet as goat as pets. You know, when the goat sick, the goat will come go operation. You know, they come put this thing for Oyibo there, even their medical distance is strong past Nigeria. Their animals, their medical teams are strong past the medical team. Where they now they go carry Chinese doctors they come. So for Oyibo, if you see when they're sick, they go do operations for animal. So kind of say, oh God, why no? Even Oyibo now they use hand sanitizer. The animal don't use hand sanitizer, rub their hand. Dog they use nose masks. For Oyibo now self don't really use. So based on animals when they get coronavirus too, we they advise the federal government on it, all these herdsmen when they buy nose masks, give their cow too, and hand sanitizer, so that when they don't work as small, carry the cow rub hand sanitizer for your leg. Because when you carry coronavirus, kind of go match with people land for the crops don't get coronavirus.